welcome to Cooking with Chris and Tina, where we are always unconventional and unprofessional. Today is day 2 of getting our turkey cooked. The good part is about to happen. We're about to actually dip the turkey into the frying oil. But the turkeys don't know they're getting cooked. They think they're getting operated on. So some of the language we use today might be a little confusing, but it's only to keep the birds not stressed out. So here we go.
Brought to you by Triscuit. You say that? Yeah. Brought to you by Triscuit?
Not yet. All right.
I can't talk.
Not right now. Until I finish this part.
Now where's the paper towels?
Come on, Lawrence.
Are you wrapping it?
Yeah, I already just put it in mine too.
So what we're going to be using to cook today's turkeys is this indoor master-built turkey fryer. Now what you do is you fill it up with oil, turn it on to 375, and then dip in the birds. Speaking of birds, let's check in on our 2 turkeys that are scheduled to be cooked. Operated on. So we got thing 2 is ready to go, but a wise old lady from Crime Watch instructed me to pat this thing down to make sure that it's not trying to smuggle anything in. So let's do one last check to see if there's anything that should not be in here.
Ew. Delivering the baby again.
Check the wings. You got check the wings. And the lady from Crime Watch said to check here.
This Bobo?
Uh-oh.
What? You see Bobo cheek?
Look what we got.
What is that?
Trying to sneak some stuff in.
Do you need to check these?
That's a no-no. That should be it. And what's this right here? Is this part of the internal baby? You want to? I think it is. What is this?
Can I see?
Come feel it.
Is that the neck?
We already got the neck out. I'm afraid to, it don't matter. Let's just cook it.
Oh my god.
Let's cook it.
What is this?
The turkey?
What is this part?
What part?
That part.
I think it's just skin.
I thought that was his lip. What?
All right, thing 1.
I want to put it in there.
You are scheduled for surgery first.
I want to put it in here.
It's not really surgery. We're just going to put you into an MRI machine for about an hour.
That's surgery! My baby. What did my baby ever do to you?
Try to bite me. Okay, so this next part is going to be either really fun or really terrifying. We're getting ready to drop this turkey into the MRI machine.
Is it actually called that?
I'm kind of scared.
Why? Very slowly, the video said.
Very slowly.
Mm-hmm. Not that.
Alright, now we're just going to let it relax in the jacuzzi for about an hour. And then we will be back to check on the progress. Until then, gobble, gobble, gobble. All right, now the moment of truth. It's been about an hour, and we're about to take the bird out of the MRI and see how it done. Do you think the MRI was successful, Tina, or unsuccessful?
Not successful.
Not successful. Let's see how much steam is gonna come out of here. Let's check it out. Looks weird.
That's a great thing to hear. It looks weird.
It does look weird, like the tan was not an even tan.
I think it's because it wasn't all underneath the oil.
I put in as much oil as I could, or as I was supposed to.
You probably had an extra large cook. Should I put it on this end?
All right, now you put it in the recovery room. Let it rest for a little bit.
Looks good.
I hope it's good. All right, now we got to get thing 2 out of here. Get things set up for thing 1. All right, let's wake up thing 1. Get it ready. Looking pretty good. Can't forget to get that stuff they're trying to smuggle in with. Yuck. All right, we're just waiting for the oil to heat back up, and then we will put in bird number 2, which is thing number 1. All right, so we're waiting for the bath to heat up for thing 1. Let's cut into thing 2, see what it looks like. I was a little concerned about the top because it's not very crispy, but we'll see. It looks hot and juicy. Whew, it's hot. All right, so I gave you the visual. Tina is going to give you an actual taste test.
It's hot.
It's not that hot.
It's good.
MRI number 1 successful. Preparing for MRI number 2. All right. Here goes turkey number 2. We will check on that in about an hour. We'll be back. All right, we're back, and the house is full, and bird number 2 is ready. That's bird number 1. This is spicy bird coming out. Where's the oven mitt?
Oh, I put them all up. Hold on.
I need it.
We got an audience for this one.
Jocelyn,
Wait.
say hi. No, I need the mitt.
Oh, what's in here?
That he used to deliver the baby with.
Get back, Sam. Oh, I had to let that go out for a little bit.
Yeah, look at it. It's like bubbling.
Yeah, that thing is, yeah, no. I ain't touching it right now.
Come tell YouTube what you think of this turkey right here.
Get out of the turkey.
Good.
He tanned evenly, unlike the other one. The other one didn't tan evenly. He's spicy bird. All right, that's it. We're going to go eat the turkey. Happy Thanksgiving. See you next year. This has been Unconventional and Unprofessional Cooking with Chris and Tina.